I will start with the pledge you told us, ma'am, to take that. Please, this is the confidentially pledge. I wrote down that word also in my diary, that please take the pledge or promise. And thank you, Suparna ma'am, Mithul ma'am. You were the guiding light us for today. And I was really worried that how the sessions will be this from 2 to 5, whether it will be worthy or not, or it will be, but it was very mindful. I'm thankful to Asian College of Teachers that they gave us such a good mentor who showed us how to be a to create a positive classroom, and how to start the day with your gratitude, to do journaling, to little bit do detox, digital detox, personal well-being, and many more things that I could have learned today. Thank you once again. I really feel blessed that you were mentor us today. Thank you, ma'am.